familiar with the Frain group. So you'll be cycling your PFM horizontal flow through wrapper integrated with the discharge, conveyor and accumulation table. The wrapper and the conveyor are currently set to 3-phase 240 volts and the accumulation table is currently set to single phase 120 volts. We recommend reading the manual in its entirety before powering on the machine. Systems like this are capable of running a variety of products such as you see here, and today we'll be running this product through at 60 pieces per minute.